Hey everyone, this is Anne. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to share some of my recent purchases that I really love. They work great and they're very cheap. One is eyeshadow palette, one is a blush. If you're interested, continue watching. Colourpop, yes, in this specific color. Because I was looking for something that can create like a copperish look, and I saw this one. The price is like $12 or $15. It has like 12 colors and every single one of them is gorgeous. Some are shimmery, some are matte, and they're highly pigmented, and basically there's no fallout. People talk about their favorite foundation, favorite eyeshadow palette. Barely people talk about the blush. And I'm going to talk about, I think they're universally enduring, fits all skin color. It's so lightweighted. It's actually from Shiseido. And there's a film, and if you look at it, oh, it reminds me of bacon. And it's also very shimmery. You can almost use it like a highlighter. You know, sometimes when you use blush, you're afraid like, ooh, too much. But the way they made these make it impossible for you. And that's it. Let me know what is your favorite eyeshadow palette or blush. And I will see you guys next time.